and welcome back to today's video. It's a very exciting video today because, as you can see from the title, I have got an unboxing and I'm really excited. It's my first POLENE bag and I've been wanting one of these for so long, and I recently got a bonus from work and I thought I would treat myself. So let's unbox it together. So firstly, it comes in this absolutely stunning box with the embroidered word POLENE at the bottom there. And then I have obviously already had a quick sneak peek inside, so let's just open it up. To which we have some tissue paper, and anytime you get a dust bag with a handbag, it just feels luxury and just a bit magical, and I love it. So let's get this bad boy out. So like I said, here is the dust bag, which just, like I said, makes it feel luxury. So this is like my fourth designer bag, but this is my first POLENE bag. And I have been, oh no, because there's so many different designs on their website that they're all just me, and I love it. Every single design comes in loads of different colours too, which makes it so much more difficult to choose. So I went for this because it is just classic. I thought it's going to go with a lot of outfits, a lot of like daytime, night times. Like it doesn't really matter, I don't believe. But I just wanted, like I said, for my first POLENE bag, for it to be an absolute classic that I knew I couldn't go wrong with. And it is the Numero Set Mini. So obviously POLENE is a French brand, so this is the number 7, and it is in the mini size because I was eyeing up between the mini and the bigger one, and honestly I think the bigger one's maybe too big for a handbag. So this is the absolutely stunning bag we went for, and it's just me all over. I think it's just so classic, and it's just going to elevate an outfit. So as you can see, I haven't even taken these off yet, and the lock bit has still got its blue on there. So let's take all these stickers off. So here it is. I absolutely just love as well that it's gold, because a lot of the time you get silver hardware and my accessories are more than likely gold. So first of all, I love that this, like, you open it by lifting that up, and then you, so you lift that bit up, and then it should, there we go, I'm doing it wonky, opens up like that, which I do like because it's so much more secure. Yeah, so let's put that back in. So also it comes with 2 handles, again, perfect. So you can have it around your body with the long strap, or you can just hold it, which, oh my god, I absolutely love again. Love the shape of it. It's going to stand so nicely. There is some, oh, I didn't take the stickers off those bits there that do just say POLENE on them. So let's actually have a look inside. Take all the filling out, you don't need that. And then there is also just a tag on the inside as well. I'm not somebody who carries a lot in my handbags anyway, so I think this is like the perfect size, because as you can see, it opens up. There's quite a lot of space at the bottom because obviously the shape of it. So when it does up, so this is absolutely perfect for just my phone, a lipstick. Oh, there's also, you can move. Oh, that's so clever. So there's actually these on the insides. Oh no, that's weird. Why is it only on one side? Okay, so on this side then, there is a gold hoop that you can put the strap on. So you can undo it and put it on there, but it's only on one side of the inside of the bag, which I think is maybe a bit weird, but we move with it. The little handle as well is also on a zip, a fastener, so you can take it off as well, so you can just have it with the long strap without this being on it. So yeah, it depends how you want to wear it, and that's so good then that it's so versatile. I am in love. I'm hoping to take it out this weekend and get some photos of it for you guys, and just I'm so happy. It's so pretty. So pretty. So yes, me and my bag, thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you next week for a brand new one. Thanks for watching. Bye.